Zones in MyGeotab, or geofences, are identified landmarks or areas of interest that can be used to categorize and identify locations such as offices, customers, vehicle yards, or homes. Zones can be added into your database one at a time on the map, or by bulk importing to bring in multiple zones at once. To create a zone from your map screen, either zoom into the area or search for the address using the search bar in the upper left corner. Let's add a zone around Battery Park in New York City. Click the Add Zone button at the top of the map. The mouse pointer now displays as crosshairs. Click on the map to create the zone's perimeter. You can approximate a curved border by adding in additional points. To close off the zone, click back on the first point. The Zone Edit screen will appear and allow you to name the zone, add a comment, and assign a zone type. Zone types are used to identify locations in the same category. The color is automatically assigned based on the zone type, with the ability to change the color as needed. Save once complete. You are now back on the map with a display of the zone you just created. To import zones in bulk, you will create a spreadsheet with all necessary information. To view a sample of the format, under Zones and Messages, select Import Zones. Click on the question mark to display 2 sample templates as guidelines for your spreadsheet. The first template is based on latitude and longitude, and the second is based on the street address. Pick the one that works best for you using these as a guide. Here is an example spreadsheet. In the first column, you will give each zone a name, followed by either the latitude, then longitude coordinates, or the complete street address, including zip or postal code. You can next enter a reference and comment, or you can leave these fields blank. Next is the zone circular? Yes will create a circle with points very close together, or no will create a square-shaped zone. Finally, enter in the diameter, which is measured in yards if your user profile is set to imperial, or meters if it is set to metric. It is suggested that you test this with a spreadsheet with a small number of zones before you import a large amount. Once your spreadsheet is complete, you can either drag and drop the file directly into your database, or click to browse and select the file. The database will automatically display the number of valid and invalid zones. If you have invalid zones, you can export and review by clicking on the Excel icon, or click to select and correct the zone. To import the valid zones, click the blue button on the right. You can verify that all zones were entered by clicking on Zones on the left and reviewing your list. You have now successfully added zones to your database.